Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix Instagram notes feature not showing on your Instagram. Now, if you are not being able to see the option of leave a note or Instagram notes on your Instagram, then you need to simply follow the steps shown in the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now to do so, make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any type of data. Now, after that, you need to open App Store on your device and you need to click on the search option and you need to search Instagram and check if there is any update available. So if you see the option of update the Instagram app up to date to make sure that the Instagram notes feature is available on your iPhone. Now after that, if you are able to see the option, that's good. Now again, if you are not be able to see the option, click on settings and click on general, and you need to scroll down and click on iPhone stories. So after that, you need to scroll down and click on Instagram and you need to click on the option of offload app. So by offloading the app, it will help you to free up some storage and also helps to fix you the boxer error which is happening on Instagram. So after that, click on reinstall app. So after reinstalling the app, it will show you the option of fix Instagram notes. If that doesn't help, you need to simply restart your device. If you're using iPhone, restart your iPhone. If you're using Android, restart your Android. So that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram notes not showing on your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.